Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the Lumel company. They are conducting a fresher recruitment program for the 2022 batch. Job location is Chennai and this is full-time position, not a contract position. Okay, so 0 years of experienced candidates required. So who can apply? 2022 graduates and postgraduates from the below mentioned discipline willing to pursue a career in product development. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc in IT and computer science. So what opportunities are available? So as a product developer at Lumel, you will build products using UI frameworks. Core skill set would be JS, React.js, Python, Node.js or MongoDB. Develop hosted and cloud-based BI products using cutting-edge languages that is Node, Python or Java. Re-engineer existing hosted products for cloud AWS. Suppose if you are AWS certified, that is Amazon Web Service, then that will be a plus point from your end. Other frameworks like Angular, Vue, visualization libraries, etc. will be a good to know. How to apply? Fill in the application form, attach your resume and answer the questions listed. As we would like to get to know you better through these responses, we encourage you to respond truthfully based on your personality and life experience. There are no right or wrong answers to these questions, so answer them to your best ability possible. So what happens after you submit your application? The team would go through the applications and will get in touch with the shortlisted applicants for the pre-assessment calls. You will be taking up an assessment to start with, and the recruiter will brief you on the same. You will participate in a series of interviews with us, general and technical. In this process, we will also assess how well you will fit into our culture. For us, right attitude is most important. One can always be trained technically, but attitude is what you already possess, and we give prime importance to it. So we will be in touch with you during the entire process and share regular updates with you. They will share regular updates through your mail. Okay, so feel free to just pick up the phone or drop an email to us in case you have any question. You should be able to hear the result from us in a week time after the final interview. So once you are done with your final interview, they will declare or reveal the details in a week. Okay, so highlights: learn while getting paid. That means once you join as a fresher, they will provide you the training. That means you will get a chance to learn on the cutting edge technologies, multiple technologies, and also you will get paid. That means they will provide you the salary. Be a part of enterprising and rewarding culture with highly accomplished peer group. Be a pillar of support for Lumer vibrant culture by always willing and eager to experiment, learn and deliver customer value while having fun. Okay, so how to apply for this? Click on this button, apply for this job. Okay, so now upload your resume from here. Click here and import your resume. Give your first name, last name, your gender, your email. Please enter your email ID correct, your mobile number. Then if you have any additional documents, then you can upload your date of birth, your experience. If you are a fresher, then select 0. Current salary, as you are a fresher, if you are applying as a fresher, then don't enter anything. Okay, so expected salary, you can enter if you want. Availability, that means in how many days you can join. And then location preference, you can select here. As the job location is Chennai, so you can select this. Current, what is your current location? Notice period, for freshers you can keep this field blank. No need to enter anything if you are a fresher. Additional information: what programming languages do you prefer? Tell us about a recent project you have worked on. Then technology is always changing. What have you done in the past 6 months to enhance your knowledge? Then what are you looking for this job? How does this position help you move you forwards your goals? Why should we hire you? So please give the answer for each questions. There is no right or wrong answer, so whatever you know, please put here. Then experience details, if you have done any internship then you can add. Then education details, um, you can enter. Click on add education details. Skills, rate yourself for the skills required for this job. So enter your skills here and click on apply now button for this drive. So if you are interested, then please apply for this drive. Please don't miss this chance, and share this video with your friends as well. And thanks for watching this video.